Welcome to this installation video for Everbilt screening. In this video, you will see just how easy it is to replace a window or door screen. You will need either the Fiberglass or Pet Screen by Everbilt, along with the appropriate Everbilt spline. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need. Now, let's get started. Lay the frame on a flat surface and remove the old screen by using a screwdriver to pry up the spline edge. Remove the spline from the groove and discard along with the old mesh. Wipe the spline groove clean and tape down all four edges of the frame to prevent it from moving. Place your new Everbilt mesh at one edge, roll it out to cover the whole frame, and cut. Trim a corner of the mesh with scissors at a 45-degree angle and tape the mesh to the adjacent edges of the screen. Press the new spline into a corner, then using the grooved edge of the spline roller, press the spline into the spline groove. Remove the tape and continue rolling the spline into the remaining three sides of the window frame. Then trim the spline, being careful not to cut the screen. Finally, trim the excess mesh with a utility knife and you are ready to place your repaired screen into your window. Congratulations on replacing your screen with Everbilt screening.